Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The festival season is approaching, and during this festival season we normally see a lot of movement of people who go to their hometowns or who go to their relatives. So Goa Police is very proactive in ensuring their security. We are conducting public meetings at all levels, with the police station, at the beat level, at the panchayat level. Even over the weekend we have conducted some public meetings, and we are also going to have meetings with the mandals, and we are advising everyone to be safe during the festival season. By safe we mean that if you are stepping out of your house, please make sure that your belongings are locked away safely. If you have a locker in the bank, please make sure that you deposit your belongings in the bank locker before going out. Inform your neighbors that you are going out. If possible, inform the police that you are going out, so we are able to maintain patrolling and checking of your houses. Do install or consider installing CCTV cameras at your house, which is a very good deterrent. And finally, I would like to advise everyone that you should call 112. 112 is the number of police control room, and all calls that land on 112 are immediately responded to and are monitored at senior levels of the police department. So in case you see any crime, any illegal activity, or you see any suspicious person in your locality, please be sure to call 112 or your nearest beat officer.